to Anong Beach. We're stopping for lunch. They messed up my lunch order, so Meg's eating hers. Jazz is eating hers. And I thought I'd stop to have a look at the sauces. Yeah, and coughing on them. Here's chili flakes. This like chili liquid. And this one that has like everything in it. Chili, lime, garlic, carrot. It made me cough. Oh, it's so peaceful. And you can just see all the islands. All writing in the sand on the beach. So me and Jazz did one. Ready? Woohoo! Go Queef Sister! Did a little symbol, a little logo for the Queef Sisters. Jazz? Yep, and we're going to go and explore some stairs over there as well, just to see what's happening. That's cute. No, not as cute. We've been on the walkway and now we're going to brave the stairs. Let's have a little break as I'm very tired. The stairs are so dodgy. We've moved on from steps now. Got sandbags. Okay, so I have a bit of a confession. We got halfway there, we saw some steps going down and we asked some people and they said it was only a beach at the bottom. So now we're walking back before we have to walk up more stairs. Oh, nice scenery though. Is getting down these fucking dodgy stairs. To be honest, I felt more safe walking up them. From our pretty pointless walk up all those stairs, it was actually quite nice. There were monkeys and things as well, but the sea breeze is beautiful and we're on a swing. We're just rocking side to side. Lanterns.
Hi, Megman here. Basically, on nights out, everyone else normally wants to get drunk and carry on dancing. And it's always me like, I want food. We're like, yeah, let's go Family Mart and let's get food and go back. And I was literally like, yes.
No, she was like, oh, Family Mart. And then Golden Arches.
It's life.
Fell asleep with Chris in her bed and woke up to this, all these ants.
So Meg's bed is still covered in ants despite getting rid of the cream.
So last night we went out, it got quite messy quite quickly.
Ant situation.
And obviously the ant situation, which you'd have already watched now. So we came out to get some takeaway.
So here is our takeaway, chicken and cashew nuts. Kind of spilt some in the bag, but luckily we managed to tip it over the rocks.
So we're in Nang Krabi. We're just about to go on a sunset kayaking tour. We're a bit nervous because we're all crap at kayaking.
Everybody, when everybody take the medal already,
Okay.
I know, we're tipping. I don't know.
Okay, just wait.
I mean, you're saying wait, but we don't know how to stop, start or go, so...
This is embarrassing. Right, we're getting split up, guys. We're not doing that.
Oh shit. Bye group. Bye group. We're being taken by someone else. So we're doing it in shifts now because we got tired, so we get to have a little break. Smile, Jazzy.
I'm sweating.
It's Jazzy's turn. It's her shift. We're turning a little bit. Loving it. No joke, we're actually hating it. We kind of wish we weren't on it, to be honest. Split out, but we don't want to. We're gonna have to get out, girl. There. What do I do? What do I do? On the road again. I just can't wait to get on the road again. We've ended up so far away from everyone because I may or may not have overreacted about a tiny little crab. Like little pinpricks just popping up. Great news, that's a great bit of parking. Problems along the way, we got split up, but it's fine. Anyway, so we came to this lovely little like private beach, it looks like. Oh, I'm not holding you very well. Sorry guys. Pretty. Anyway, and apparently you can only come here like once a month because we came here because the tide's really low and it's not really a sunset tour because there's no sun. But yeah, so we're going to go and just look around. People are climbing up over that way and we'll see what happens. Not sure if I can be bothered.
Yeah, it was. When we got back.
Climb to the top of the rock. No, I'm just going to go onto the stone. Whoa, oh my goodness, the view is incredible though.
Daisy, turn around.
Where's the barbecue? Yeah. Where's the portable barbecue?
John.
Well, Madame Malone, yummy. I mean, it's not the prettiest sunset I've ever seen, but it is that. The sun's like completely going down, basically. It's fucking dark. And now we're nearly here, woohoo! Going back to my roots, yeah, yeah, yeah. We made it! From our sunset kayaking, which was really nice, and me and Jazz seem to be like bottomless pits for food today. You too. So we're going to find, I think we saw some street food up here earlier, so we're basically going to make like a 20-minute walk just so we can save a bit of money on food and probably get something nicer, to be fair. So keep you updated. Go for like 60 baht. Salad, like walk straight past that. Oh, they've got the roti pancake. Sat for ages and we finally found it for only 60. So I got some chicken, Jazz got veg spring rolls and prawns. What a treat.
So today I forgot my GoPro, so the video quality is going to be terrible today. There's been snippets here and there of footage from my phone, but it's all from my phone today. So we are heading to Railay Beach, which is an island in the province of Krabi. So we're just on a long tail boat now. Wait, we missed it. And it looks like we're just setting off. So we just got to Railay. We don't really know where we're going. We asked at the Tourist Information Centre, not the TIC. Oh, great. We asked where to go for the cave, and she said left, then right, then left and right, and right, left, left, left. And then it's about 20 minutes away, so I think we'll get it. See you. So we're just walking, and that is literally in front of us. There's William. So he's going to come to us. So we've just made it to Tam Pranang Nay, probably very accurately pronounced, and it's also known as Diamond Cave. So we'll see how diamondy it is. Squeaking. Very small gap. I think I'll be fine, but my rucksack might not. Oh wow. Here we go, Dad, selfie pano in Diamond Cave. I'm dripping with sweat already.
So we've got prawn red curry. I can see a tail though. So we just got back from Railay. We've just arrived at Nang Beach and the sun is just setting.
So we are now walking to a food night McKay, as we call it.
That means Daisy have already ate.
Yeah, they ate a lot yesterday. But no, I'm really excited and I'm really hungry because I've only had one meal today. Like, that's just not normal. Okay. Bye.
So the first thing to be cooked is the chicken. We've opted for pad thai.
So much.
So there is the finished dish.